Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Discard. Discard means get rid of. For example, Hillary bundled up the clothes she had discarded. Hillary bundled up the clothes she had discarded. Synonyms: dispose of, throw away, throw out.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. If this week's insights aren't useful, discard them. Now, repeat after me. If this week's insights aren't useful, discard them. The second exemplar. If you find damage, cut off, bag, and discard infested leaves. Now, repeat after me. If you find damage, cut off, bag, and discard infested leaves. The third exemplar. When they stop being useful, we must be prepared to discard them. Now, repeat after me. When they stop being useful, we must be prepared to discard them.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.